I think that people come to us often on some of their worst days, and there's a privilege in that people feel that they can come to you and try and make that day a bit better. I'm Amelia Tauongo, and I'm a nurse working in refugee health. Immediately after university, I went to Kenya and worked for 4 months in a primary healthcare health promotion role. And following that, for around 3 years, I worked in Australia's immigration detention program, which ultimately led me to a role as a refugee health nurse. So my role here is kind of like this unique combination between primary healthcare and public health, getting you to a GP, linking you into those services. And the public health stuff is sort of embodied in the health promotion aspects, making sure if you need a TB screening that it gets done, that you're getting followed up. The role in and of itself is actually quite autonomous. So a lot of it is just kind of opening your diary, finding out what's the go for the rest of the day. It might be going out to see clients in their home. It might be meeting them here on site at the clinic, going out and having sort of case conferences. So going to the hospital for someone's pediatrician appointment and meeting with them and the family there so we can discuss care and make a plan as a team. We look after people who have just arrived by plane on Australia's humanitarian resettlement program. We also look after folks who have been released from immigration detention sites. So right through from newborns to the elderly, it's the entire lifespan of people. We work in a multidisciplinary framework, so we've got counsellors on our team, obviously myself as a nurse, and there are 2 other refugee health nurses. We have an access worker. It's an entirely different culture to other jobs where it's really structured and hierarchical, whereas here your voice genuinely matters. It really is the patients that do keep you coming back to this role. You don't have to look any further than them and how resilient they are and tenacious and full of hope and strength to get your inspiration.